Google is the world's most visited website with an impressive 92% of the search engine market share. It's the undisputed heavyweight champion of online search engines. And here's the plot twist. Your business can harness this massive force through the creation of a Google Business Profile. That's why today we're diving deep into the captivating world of Google Business Profile, formerly known as Google My Business, uncovering its immense benefits and unveiling the spellbinding power of customer reviews. Let's get to it. Google Business Profiles Explained. Google Business Profile is a free feature from Google that helps businesses to present a comprehensive snapshot of their offerings. It allows you to provide details and images of your company, like its location, services, and products. Crafting your Google Business Profile opens the door to a realm of enhanced visibility across the Google ecosystem. This profile acts as your virtual representative, making sure that your business goes from a hidden gem to a hotspot in your area's digital arena. The information you provide here manifests in a bunch of Google services. It amplifies your reach across essential platforms like Google Search, Google Maps, and even Google Shopping. It's important to note that Google Business Profiles are catered to businesses that engage with their customers physically. That's basically businesses that have physical addresses like restaurants or stores. It's also great for companies that offer services by connecting with clients at different locations like plumbers or electricians. The power of reviews. Google Business Profile allows you to gather reviews on your profile. And do we really have to state how important reviews are? They're like supercharged versions of good old word of mouth. When possible customers see reviews from others, it's like they're getting a peek into how great their own experience might be with your business. Google's space for detailed reviews and star rating system gives customers the chance to share as much or as little information as possible about their experience with your business. Say you want to try a new restaurant or buy something online. What do you do first? It's a no-brainer. You'll check out what other people say in their reviews. When lots of people share their good experiences, it creates social proof. It's like a group of friends telling you how awesome a place they visited was. This group feeling helps people feel more confident about trying out new products, brands, or experiences. When you have a Google Business Profile, you're automatically inviting people to leave reviews about your business. You can go one step further and send review links to satisfied customers. These reviews show others what your business is like. Just like a movie trailer gives you a taste of the movie. They are the key to turning curious onlookers into happy customers. It's worth noting that you can't pick and choose which reviews you want to display on your profile. That means the occasional bad review you get will be out there for everyone to read. On the flip side, you can always respond to every review your business gets, whether they are negative or positive. That gives you a chance to interact with your customers and figure out what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, and what you can do to improve their future experiences. And according to Google, a combination of positive and negative reviews gives businesses a sense of authenticity that businesses with tons of positive reviews and zero negative ones just don't have. So make sure you embrace the power of reviews. They're like your business's cheerleaders, telling everyone how awesome you are. The benefits of having a Google Business Profile. If you're still not convinced that you need to sign up for a Google Business Profile, get ready to change your mind as we take a closer look at everything the platform has to offer. Whether you're aiming to attract customers to your physical store or your online presence, Google is undoubtedly the top source for searches. With a Google Business Profile, you ensure that potential customers discover your business when they're in search of products or services similar to what you offer in their local area. On top of showing people the ins and outs of visiting your business, your Google Business Profile contributes to enhancing your local SEO. If you have a listing for a local business, it becomes more visible when people search for nearby businesses through Google Maps. Through your business profile, you can manage and modify essential information like your contact details and business hours as required. The platform also allows you to share updates such as expanding your services, temporary closures, or full reopenings, which are a particularly valuable feature during emergencies like the COVID-19 pandemic.
God, okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Google Business Profiles have absurdly strong local SEO, which means that the updates you post will rank much higher than third-party websites. In a nutshell, having a Google Business Profile simplifies connecting with potential customers, provides a user-friendly way to share essential details, and gives you a valuable competitive edge in local searches. With that said, let's take a look at how you can set up your own Google Business Profile. Setting up a new Google Business Profile. If you're all set with an existing business profile and just need to claim it, don't worry, we'll get to that later. But if you're starting afresh, let's walk through the process step by step. Step 1. go to Google Maps and add your business. To kick things off, open up Google Maps and tap the button at the top left corner to access the menu. Within the menu, go to the Add Your Business option. Step 2. Create your business account. If you already have a business account, go ahead and sign in. No need to worry about this part. However, if you're starting from scratch, click on Create Account and pick To Manage My Business from the drop-down menu. Fill out details like your name and preferred username, then hit Next. You'll also need to verify your identity with a phone number. After that, Google will request a few more particulars and direct you to their Terms and Conditions page. Once you take a look at them, proceed by hitting the Agree button. Step 3. Fill out your business name and category. Start by selecting your business name and category. If your business name pops up on Google's list, you can skip ahead to find out how to claim your business. If your business isn't on the list, type out your full business name as is. Make sure you don't overload it with keywords since Google could flag you for that. From there, input your business category by choosing from the available options. This helps Google understand what your business is all about, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Remember, you can modify or add more categories later. Step 4. Add your location. This part might be optional, but certain business types like restaurants require it. If you don't operate from a storefront, you can skip this part. If you do have a location, Google will ask for your address. Make sure it's accurate since this is what searchers will see on Google Maps. Your address also helps Google identify possible duplicate listings. If one of these duplicates is yours, skip to the next step to learn how to claim your business. If not, select none of these and move on. Step 5. Choose your service area. This step depends on whether you provided a business address earlier. If you did, this step is optional. Google will inquire if you offer deliveries or home/office visits. Pick Yes to let people know which areas you serve. Click on No if you want to move on to the next step. For those without a business address, this step is compulsory. You can either choose an area from Google's suggestions or start typing the area you serve. Step 6. Add your contact information. The next step involves adding your phone number and website URL if applicable. People will use this information to get in touch with you, so make sure that everything's accurate. Step 8. Verify your listing. Your profile won't be visible in searches until it's verified. While you can skip this step during the initial setup, you'll eventually need to get it done. There are 5 verification methods: by phone or email, by postcard, by sending a video recording, or by a live video call. Depending on whether or not you've added a location, your verification options are different. If you have a physical location, you'll have to confirm your business via postcard. The postcard includes a 5-digit code that you'll enter when you log into your account. If your business doesn't have a physical location, you'll have to submit your personal address for verification. Once you've done that, you'll have the option of receiving a phone call, a text message, or one of the other options. Step 9. Add more information and opt in to Google services. After verification, you'll want to enhance your profile with more details and opt in to relevant Google services based on your chosen business category. Be as detailed as possible. It'll help potential customers connect with you. Make sure to include information like specific services you offer and your operating days and hours. In your business description, Google lets you highlight your products, unique selling points, history, and more, using 750 characters or less. You can also add images that showcase your business, products, or services. Make sure you tailor them so they align with your business category. How to claim and verify an existing business profile. Sometimes Google does a lot of the legwork and creates business information all on its own. That means there might be an unmanaged, unverified listing of your business hanging out in Google's database. If that's the case, claiming it and adding it to your dashboard is a breeze. Once claimed, you'll be able to keep your business details accurate, share news, and engage with customer reviews and queries. Let's break it down into 2 simple steps. Step 1. Claiming your business. First, head over to Google Maps and search for your business name. When you spot your business on the map, navigate to the Claim This Business button or the Own This Business link. If you're certain this listing is yours, go ahead and click the Manage Now button. If you realize the listing doesn't belong to you, simply hit I own or manage another business to create a fresh listing. Step 2. Verification. As we discussed before, you've got a few options for verification: phone, email, postcard, recorded call, or live call. Once your ownership is verified, you'll be handed the keys to manage it through your GBP Manager dashboard. Remember, Google only lets you manage your listing once you've proved ownership. And there you have it. Creating a Google business profile is a simple task that can take your business to unprecedented new heights. From boosting credibility through reviews to making your business a power player in your community, the possibilities are endless. So go on, claim your virtual territory, and let Google work its patented magic on your business. Oh, and if you need any help with your Google business profile or any other digital marketing needs, don't hesitate to contact us. Spreadify Marketing is here to spread the word about your business.